Koreans spend a great deal of time and money in nurturing their skin and are known to be very skin conscious. All over the world people envy Korean beauties because of their looks and skin. In fact, when Korean actress Go Yun-young published her beauty secrets in a documentary titled Go Yun-young's Texture, it was a bestseller and all copies were sold out within 2 days of its launch in 2011. Here are 6 Korean beauty secrets to get a gorgeous-looking healthy skin. 1. Seaweed Mask. Algae from the sea is great for the skin. Seaweed can be used as a mask for the face by simply placing the sheets in warm water and applying to your skin. It's best to let them sit for 15 minutes to get the full effect. This will allow you to absorb all of the vitamins, minerals, and bacteria-fighting properties. 2. Hot towel massage. When heat is applied to the skin, it promotes better circulation. It also opens the pores and allow our skin to breathe. To give your face a hot towel massage, all you need to do is soak a clean towel in hot water and immediately apply it to your face. With the warm towel, slowly massage your face for about 15 minutes. When you're done, don't forget to put on oil to nourish the recently treated area. 3. Moisturize immediately. If you really want to take advantage of the moisturizing process and allow any lotion or cream to fully penetrate your pores, make sure that you moisturize as soon as you dry off from bathing. Since your pores are opened up in the bath or shower, it's best to apply any natural moisturizer no more than 10 seconds after you've dried off. 4. Citrus treatment. Citric acid works wonders for ridding your pores of excess dirt and oil and removing dead skin cells. To take advantage of the healing powers of citric acid, just squeeze half a lemon into a bowl and use a cotton ball as an applicator. Your skin will thank you as the lemon will leave it bright and clear and feeling fresh. 5. Soy milk. Here's one of the most widely used and trusted recipes. Soak some gauze in soy milk and apply it generously to the skin. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes so it can nourish and rejuvenate your skin. It's recommended to use this recipe up to twice a week. 6. Sea salt treatment. Sea salt can disinfect your skin while getting rid of unsightly blackheads. It restores damaged skin and calms areas that have become red and inflamed over time. Mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt with a glass of warm water. Stir the mixture well to dissolve the salt. Then dip a cotton ball into the salt water and wipe your face. Make sure you stay away from any cuts or abrasions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.